In late November and early December 2015, the coastal city of Chennai in southern India faced a catastrophe few had seen before. Torrential rains, the worst in more than a century, battered a metropolis of millions. The rainfall pooled in streets, rivers overflowed, and the city was transformed into a waterlogged wasteland. In the dead of night, roads vanished beneath murky floodwaters. Cars floated. Homes filled. The hum of city life turned into an all-too-real fight for survival.
The monsoon gave way to relentless downpour. Rain clouds stalled over the region. In some places the city recorded nearly half a meter of rain in 24 hours. By early December, water levels rose beyond the drainage capacity, reservoirs swelled, and lakes breached. On December 1st, the city officially came to a stop, highways submerged, the international airport flooded, trains cancelled, hospitals rendered helpless. People waded through knee-deep water, carried their children above the flood, and prayed the walls wouldn't crack, that the ceiling wouldn't collapse.
Thousands of families awoke to ruined possessions. Workers walked home in chest-deep water. In low-lying neighborhoods, homes were submerged up to rooftops. The death toll climbed. The city was declared a disaster zone. Schools and offices closed. The air filled with the thrum of helicopters overhead, the cries of the stranded, and the scent of damp despair. In the dim light of dawn, the true scale emerged: hundreds of thousands displaced, thousands of houses damaged or destroyed, industrial zones shut down, the economy trembling.
Armed with boats, amphibious vehicles and unwavering resolve, rescuers, military, navy, volunteers, pushed through the flooded streets. They evacuated families from rooftops. They delivered relief packages by the hour. Yet the water kept rising. Old drainage systems failed. Natural lakes and channels, once absorbing excess water, had been built over. Flood plains lay paved and forgotten. The city's vulnerability was exposed in full glare.
Multiple reasons converged to make the floods more than just weather-driven. Urban sprawl had covered wetlands and natural drainage channels. Many lakes and tanks that once held excess water had been encroached upon or ignored. Roads, drains and stormwater systems suppressed under concrete were unable to handle the deluge. When the reservoirs and rivers spilled, there was nowhere for the surplus water to go. The city simply filled like a basin.
The waters took weeks to recede. As they pulled back, the truth remained: key neighborhoods still submerged, power and water cut, sanitation at risk. Reconstruction began. The state pledged houses, new drainage, and improved flood defenses. The debate grew: was this merely a natural event, or partly man-made? Many argued poor planning made the wounds deeper. Chennai vowed to learn. New master plans were drawn. Lakes were to be revived. Encroachments cleared. Voices raised for resilient cities, not just safe weather.
Chennai will never forget those days when the streets were rivers. When the skyline blurred in gray rain. When homes floated away and industry stood still. And though the rain subsided, the lesson remains: a city that fights nature but ignores her rules may find itself underwater.